Dave Shields here with DS Diving Service. It is November 21st. We're at slip W90, Jolenton Creek, Breda. Got the bottom of the boat cleaned up and most of the sides. I did want to show you, we had some pretty significant staining here on the boat. I went ahead, you can see the difference. I went ahead and used some hole cleaner spray to make that side unstained. I also wanted to show you along the side here, your bottom paint is a little lacking in some areas. And on the bottom of the boat, you have some areas where the paint is completely spalled off. Go ahead and look under it now. Keep in mind, we're going to make that look like this when we finish. This is your after video. I just gave you a comparison of your water line. Look at the bottom side, we'll see those spalled areas of paint. Actually, it looks like it was painted on the trailer, and those are the spots where the bump boards were. So, those areas are always going to have pretty significant growth. Thank you for your diving service.